Hey, it's Frank here from 4D Honeybee, and no, I am not trying out my pirate costume for Halloween. I've had another torn retina. This is my fourth in the last year and a half, and it was my right eye that had 3 of them last year. And then I got a lot of floaters in this one last summer, and I was told that it was detaching, but this over the last weekend it actually tore because I started to see a screen come down, shadowing in my vision, and that's basically the blood or the fluid that's resulting from this tear. So I'm less than 12 hours away from getting my operation, so I thought I would just do a quick video on feeding the bees, because at least thankfully all I've got left to do in the next 2, maybe 3 weeks is to keep feeding the bees and then winterize the hive. So I think my family can help me out with that. I think I'll get the bees in good shape for the summer, or sorry, for the winter. And now I just need to get in good shape for the winter. So just going to show you really quickly how to do a sugar mix here, because I can't really do much. Told to take everything kind of easy over the next 12 hours until I have my operation. So just going to show you how to do a 2-to-1 sugar water mix. And thanks for joining me at 4D Honeybee. So depending on how many bees you have and how many hives and how much feeding you need to have, buy your sugar in bulk. I've been asked whether cane sugar is better than table sugar. I think basically what you're looking for is sucrose, right? So the closest thing to sucrose is probably going to be just your refined table sugar. So this is a very fine, easy mix sugar, and that's what I got from the Bulk Barn. But you can get anything, pretty much. So all we're going to do is figure out how much we're weighing. We're doing this 2-to-1 by weight, right, as opposed to by volume. So you got to know how much your sugar is going to weigh, so we'll just add that up. And we got, what do you got, 4 pounds 21 ounces there, and 4 pounds 9.1 ounces there. Hey Siri, how many ounces in a pound? So all we're going to do is add exactly half that amount in water. Now if you don't have a scale like this, I'm going to zero it out here. If you don't have a scale like this, when you buy the sugar, either have them weigh it there, or you can buy a package that has the weight on it, and then you can just Google how much, pounds per milliliter there is in water, and that should help you. So now I'm going to pour until I get exactly 4 pounds and roughly 5.5 ounces of water. £4, what's that? 4 pounds 3 ounces. So a couple more ounces, and we're laughing. And again, this doesn't have to be an exact perfect science where you need a scale like this. If you can find a way that you comfortably are doing 2-to-1, you're laughing. So there you go. There's your ratio. Now we'll get it over to the pot. So here's the whole mixture in a pot here. And I've got the heat on it, and all I'm going to do is heat it up just so that it more readily dissolves in here. You don't want to boil it. It'll change the composition of it. So you just heat it to where the sugar completely dissolves. You'll be left with a really nice 2-to-1 sugar to water syrup for your bees. And that's it. I usually add about a half a capful of Honeybee Healthy, just because they seem to like that stuff, and it does give them some more nutrients. And that's your 2-to-1 feeding for your bees for fall. So thanks for joining me at 4D Honeybee.